a 15-inch screen. It's with an AMD Ryzen processor, Surface Edition. We worked carefully with AMD to build a processor that brings the most powerful device in its class. 1.3 millimeters of key travel, super comfortable. One finger opening, it's always on, logs you right in with Windows Hello. Super fast, super portable, super light. Super proud of the 15-inch version of Surface Laptop 3.
And the processor inside?
What's that?
The processor inside?
We have an AMD Ryzen Surface Edition processor. The most performant processor in its class. Super fast. Run CAD, play games. Really nice.
The display?
15-inch display, color calibrated so that in the factory we make sure that the colors are exactly as intended.
Trackpad?
And we made the trackpad 20% larger than the previous generation to allow you to be more productive more often.
Keyboard, same key travel between the keys?
1.3 millimeters of key set travel. We spend a lot of care and feeding to get the texture of the keys right, the contrast ratio of the letters to the key set itself, and the shape of the key. We get super comfortable and super productive to type on.
In terms of performance, how is it different from last generation?
The 2x faster generation over generation.
So is there anything going on with, because it's an AMD processor, how different is Windows with AMD compared to something with Intel, performance-wise?
The graphics performance in this product is brilliant. Super proud of the graphics performance we're able to get out of this processor.
All right, thank you.